On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 384QBOK. There's plenty of room for your family and all your guests. This fifth wheel is perfect for residential living, with 5 slide-outs that really open up the overall space. As you enter this model, the slide to your left holds the stainless steel large volume refrigerator, 4-burner range and oven, with microwave above. There are plenty of storage cabinets throughout, giving you lots of pantry space. Against the opposite wall is a large sleeper sofa next to a freestanding table and chairs, perfect for dining, kicking back, and relaxing. The entertainment center has a fireplace, stereo system with TV above, and offers the perfect view, regardless of where you may want to lounge. The rear houses a triple bunk room with convertible jackknife sofa, its own entertainment area, floor-to-ceiling wardrobes, and access to the half bath with exterior door access. Outside, there's a fully equipped outdoor kitchen with refrigerator, countertop sink, microwave with storage cabinets and a swing-out gas grill for masterful outdoor cooking. There's a docking station control panel in the large pass-through storage area. Back inside, as we move towards the front, the master bedroom features a queen slide bed, large mirrored wardrobe with stacked washer and dryer, and a chest of drawers for ample storage. The master bathroom has a sliding glass shower, mirrored vanity, countertop sink and plenty of cabinet space. This floor plan delivers all the true comforts of home and is just another example of comfortable living, offered by Sandpiper. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.